The path is wherever the stream takes you, Agron.
I'm sure the path is over here.
The path is wherever the stream takes you, Agron.
Here's a nice spot.
Just follow me, guys. The wall's gotta be around here. Look!
Leadership in action, folks. You know, from now on, Agron, you really ought to let me call the shots.
We found it, didn't we? Can we climb over it?
This wall seems to go on forever. Just forget it.
It's too late to double back now.
It's just a tree. Step aside, ground grubbers, while I do my thing. Stupid vines, stupid forest kingdom. There's simply no way to get over this wall.
Huh?
There's always a way, my child. It's a pleasure to finally meet you, young Piran.
You're a... This must be that crazy old guy, Old Sage, right?
I prefer the word eccentric rather than crazy.
Huh? You sent us halfway across Gorm to find another Lord of Nature?
So he can help us fight Magor? But it's another dead end. Even I can't get past this stupid wall. How do you expect us to climb over that thing?
No.
Watch your hands there, buddy.
You're quite right. You can't get past that wall, and neither can you, Agron. None of you will be able to do it, individually, that is.
Huh?
I recruited all of you for the purpose of getting to the Forest Kingdom. And by all of you, I mean I expect you to work together. This is a land of tests, and I expect you three to pass those tests. Understood?
Great. He's not helpful to us at all, is he?
So unassuming, isn't it? A tiny seedling, and yet from that seed a powerful tree shall rise.
You know what? I think Old Sage just set us up.
They don't look friendly.
Let's get to work. Here. I'm not scared of little seeds. Yeah. Forget what I said before.
Well, just so you guys know, we come in peace.
Keep moving.
They're not interested. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's power up and teach those twigs a lesson.
Wait, Noctis, no. I don't think fighting's gonna win us their respect. Anyhow, they're probably just taking us to their leader.
Welcome to the big show! Who's the star of this attraction? Someone we know?
You're the stars!
Whoa!
Well, the leader's pad is just magnificent. Love what he's done with the weeds.
What are they so excited about?
Something tells me this isn't gonna be a good afternoon.
Wait a minute. There's been a misunderstanding. We're here to make friends. My name is Agron. You need to know, we come here in peace. It's all right. See? I told. I guess this means we're all done playing nice.
It's about time.
Unleash the power of Earth!
Unleash the power of air!
Unleash the power of water!
Stand down, Forester. We are Lords of Gorm. We're just looking for someone. We didn't come to fight.
Take a look.
He's got a Gormstone, but that means...
Unleash the power of the forest!
He's one of us, so that means he must be on our side.
Maybe you should explain that to him before he flattens us.
Create the ground shaker!
Ground shaker! Ground shaker! Ground shaker!
Hey, he knows how to use Gormstone powers better than we do.
Yeah, no kidding. Whoa. Can we wrap this up? You've proven your point.
That was a lot of fun! You boys are welcome here!
Maybe I got hit in the head too hard, but did he just beat us up and then say welcome?
Only the strong are welcomed in our kingdom. You're all brave, even the soft one. I am Azoury.
Well, they are feathers, you know.
Gentlemen, gentlemen! Tonight we feast in your honor.
Okay, but we came to discuss something important with Prince Azoury. Huh? Huh?
A prince? Ha! You have much to learn, youngling. You can come with us to the feast, but Azoury must stay behind. A toast to our worthy guests.
Lousy tree food.
Huh? Lousy tree food? Looks pretty good to me. Oh!
We really need to speak with Azoury. Sir, all of our futures may depend on it. He's a Lord of Gorm.
No, little Gormiti. We believe that a forester is born to his role. Azoury is the champion of the pit, and that's all he'll ever be.
Huh? With all due respect, I don't think you understand.
You don't understand!
Huh?
Unless you want to go back to the pit, you'll start appreciating our hospitality.
Petrifist won't listen to me, but the old sage was right. Azoury is a Lord of Gorm, and we need him to join us to help fight the Lava Kingdom, no matter what it takes.
7 knows what it'll take, young ones. 7 knows.
What are you doing down here?
Doing what you're doing, sneaking around on all fours.
Huh?
With the way you two sneak around, you're gonna wake up the whole forest.
This place is bigger than it looks. If we don't find Azoury by dawn, we'll never have a chance to ask him to help us fight the Lava Kingdom. We need to transform! Unleash the power of Earth!
Unleash the power of air!
Unleash the power of the water.
Quantumous vision! Wow. There are so many Gormiti hidden in the forest, but that big one's gotta be Azoury.
And the best way to get there is through the air. See you later.
No, we should really go as a group.
And Agrom expected help from these weed whackers?
A little fruity, but a fine vintage. I think it's ready.
Old Sage, these foresters won't help us at all, and it's for their own good. We've got a problem.
Their culture has served them well for generations. Everyone has a purpose here, and to suggest otherwise would only serve to threaten them.
But what if Tasaru is meant for something different?
Can something be different than what it appears to be?
This is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Huh? It's just the sound of my own voice. Parade is going with the flow. Well, at least I don't feel so alone now.
You're not alone, young lady.
Huh? What?
Tasaru, I've been looking for you everywhere.
Don't tell Petrophus. I shouldn't have snuck out of the pit. I wanted to be able to experience what a party was like.
Tasaru, don't your friends ever take you to parties?
The champion is not allowed to have any friends. I'm only a pit fighter.
No, you are way more than that. That stone in your hand is more than a weapon. You're a Lord of Gorm. Huh? Stop! The old sage has never been wrong about this stuff. You know what you are, Tasaru? You're like this seed. A super strong seed. They won't let you grow. That's the problem.
Enough! You dare to steal Tasaru from us?
Steal? He snuck out because you treat him so badly. Tell them.
Typical lies from outsiders.
You claim that he serves a purpose here, but he can serve an even greater purpose by protecting all of Gorm.
Are you in league with this intruder?
A fire!
Everyone, quickly! Not you!
But I want to help!
Back to the pit, where you belong!
Fire! Fire! What's going on here, huh?
Fire is the greatest danger to our kingdom. All will be annihilated if we don't put out the flames.
Peron could use his water powers, but he...
You're the cause of this!
It's not our fault! We would never try to...
Stuck in the mud? Let 7 get you unstuck.
You don't understand. My friends and I can help. We know how to put out the fire.
You're nothing but trouble!
What are you doing, Noctis?
You have to ask? I'm saving you!
But now they'll think we really did start the fire.
You think they'll believe you?
Forget our plan. I need you to find Peron so we can put out this fire. Let me go.
Really?
Yeah, do it.
It's your funeral.
Rock ball!
champion. Seven sees what a disgraceful way they treat you. Your heart should burn with fire. Give me that stone or die in this pit.
A thing is what it is, and always will be. Tasaru was born in this pit, and they say I'll be here until the end. Unless the strangers were right about me. Maybe they are. Maybe I am a Lord of Gorm! Unleash the power of the forest!
You should have listened to me!
Quantinous vision! Where are you, Piran? Furious wind twist! What game are you playing? Hide and seek? Come on, Piran, we have to save the village!
I saw one. A lava Gormiti. One of Magor's despicable henchmen.
The pieces of the puzzle are starting to come together. Come on, scaredy pants, we've got work to do.
You've caused enough damage for one day. I'll stop you myself.
That's not a fair fight! Hey, Petrophus!
You will give me that Gorm stone, or I promise you will perish in this pit.
No, no one tells me what to do anymore.
You win, Gorm Lord.
A splendid performance. Splendid!
Can you help me get out of here, old man?
You don't need my help. I'm afraid the only thing keeping you in this pit is your stubborn self.
Huh?
The power is within you. Go forth.
Unbreakable Vine Claw!
Huh?
Stay in the pit like I told you, my child.
I saw who caused this fire. It was a lava Gormiti. He wanted us to hurt Agrom and his friends.
It can't be.
It's not over yet! Noctis! Get Piran above the heart of the blaze! Over there, hurry!
We're on it.
We're gonna have to combine our powers. Don't be scared.
I don't know about you, but I've never tried this before.
Amazing, it worked. But we really should come up with a cool name for that trick.
You're a misfit.
Perfect. A mist fist.
Can you get me closer? Quantinous Visor! Create Rock Hammer!
Seven returns to Magor!
If his name is Seven, I can only imagine what the other 6 must be like down there.
You're not welcome. You brought fire, devastation, and disorder to our once peaceful kingdom.
But we saved your kingdom.
And the battle isn't over yet. A strong wind is coming. Change your ways or you'll be blown away.
Well... preposterous! No one believes those foolish ideas you have, youngling.
I do. The young princes are right. Our traditions gave us peace, but we have not grown with the world outside. My mind's made up. I'm gonna go with them.
If you leave now, you can never come back to our kingdom.
You may be the champ in this kingdom, but in the outside world, I'm the champ.
Got it, champ.
The champ could use some help over here.
So, do you still think these seeds are gonna grow into something big?
It's already begun.